Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I won't be really uploading any recipe, but I'll just be sharing with you what my Moroccan family eats for iftar. This is our very humble table, and it's nothing crazy. It's just traditional Moroccan things, typical Moroccan things, some additions here and there, but that's it. And if you see anything here that you haven't seen on my channel previously, just know that the videos will be uploaded one by one slowly. But we filmed everything, so let's just show you guys what our table looks like. The first two things you'll find in any table will be, of course, dates and water. And in this household, we have different preferences when it comes to dates, so which is why you'll always find different varieties. So I think this is called dajwa. This is my favorite fard, and I refuse to eat anything else aside from this. Dried apricots, and this is majdoul date filled with almond paste and walnuts. And right here, you won't really be able to see it. Okay, you can see it. So this is stuffed figs with walnuts, dried figs, because that's an essential for my mom anywhere in iftar table. Dried figs are an essential for her. Of course, we have the one thing that no household is going to leave behind in Morocco, and that is harira. That is also an essential. And we have shubekiya. And we have here, this is a different type of shubekiya. It's the same dough, it's just that this is shaped in bow ties, whereas this is the normal traditional shubekiya. Here is halwa al-amaniya, so this is with figs and this is with black sugar. And here is our nuts brewats that you'll never see anywhere. I highly recommend making them because you'll never find them anywhere sold. And here we have the salty stuff, my favorite parts. So these are vegetarian cigars / spring rolls. And around here we have our chicken brewats and our seafood brewats. And of course we have eggs. That too is, I think, an essential. And these are our bligats, and finally this is our slow. And of course we need liquids, so this is a smoothie we made. This smoothie is made with a lot of different types of fruits, and also we've blended it with a cup of pineapple juice and a cup of orange juice. And of course we have a variety of cups of different juices because each one in this household has a specific preference, and no one is going to just leave that. So we each have our own. Show you the entire table, a tour around the table, and that's about it. I'm wishing you a very happy iftar and Ramadan Mubarak, and thank you guys so much for watching. So this ends today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, even though it's a very short one, and I hope you got an insight into what a Moroccan iftar table looks like. And thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!